in November here. First major snowstorm of this fall 2018. Got about 6 inches of snow this morning during the night. Calling for high winds later on in the day. All this is turning off into rain. We're going to have a fine mess. But then again, that Friday is supposed to be nice and sunny. So the miserable day today and tomorrow. We'll forget all about that. And we'll enjoy the sun on Friday. A while back I was watching a documentary on YouTube. Dick Prentice, a gentleman that went up in Alaska and flied into a valley called Twin Lakes. He built a cabin there in 1965, I think it was. Showed how he built a cabin and all the gadgets that he made. And when he was doing the hinges for the door, I remember when I was younger, I was visiting my cousin and we were in his grandfather's store and I saw the hinges there. The hinges was made out of wood. I had all that forgotten until I seen this documentary on Dick Prentice. So I'm going to show you these hinges, and through my visits to another gentleman, me and a few friends just go and sit down in his store, and he tells all kinds of stories, boy. It was a treat to go and listen to him. You have a big piece of linen or twine that was sewed together. He'd unravel it and talk and tell the stories. You learn so much by listening. And he enjoyed our company so much as we enjoyed his. Anyway, guys and girls, I'm going to show you these two stores. I hope that the pictures comes out good. I hope you enjoy it. Here they are. Alright folks, I gotta show you an old store. It's not good to come in here because it's all falling down now. But there's a mechanism on this store that I want to get pictures of it, because once it goes, probably never see it again. Stick that goes up there. One that goes across is the handle there. It's the other one that goes out. It rises up on this one. And unlocks that one. And unlocks that one. He shoves this stick down. Locks that one down there. Locks that one up top. Thought about this after I seen an article on TV about Dick Prentice, a fellow who went up in Alaska back in 1965, I think. It's been 50 years up there, and built a log cabin. You put hinges on it from a stump. I thought of this here. I remember coming in this store when I was just a little boy, sitting down, and Uncle Prim Pittman was his name. He wasn't really my uncle, but out of respect, we all call smarter people, I can't say older people, but smarter people or wiser people, I always call them uncle. We was taught to do that by our parents. He would tell us some beautiful stories back from the old days. Alright, I'm going to show you this again. You're always on this handle. Unlock the bottom. And then unlock the top. Shove it down. It locked the top. And it locked the bottom. I hope you can see that good. This is another place I'm going to show you. This store is between 60 to 70 years old. It's been moved 3 times. It was over there on the other side of the harbour, and then it was moved back up there. There was an old fish plant there which burned down, so when they start building the new one, they shift it from there to here. Still in excellent shape. Boys done some work on it. What's inside I got to show you though. When one goes around the corner here, you're going to hear a bit of noise from the wind. It's a fish store. Always got it neat and tidy. My uncle, Ralph Ellingham, his brother Jim, and his father, Uncle John. This is what I got to show you, the hinges. That was carved out of a piece of lumber tree. Hinges was shaped. Post put into it. It will never rust. Between 60 and 70 years old. In great shape, huh? Good many stories was told here. I remember when I was a little boy coming up and with my cousin coming in this store, and when I saw Dick Prenegay, I remember the hinges at Uncle John Ellingham's store.